So I'm doing a review of Hotel Royale. This is a hotel in Geneva. On booking.com it's actually called Royal Manotel. It's run by the Manotel group, but if you're looking for this hotel, it's known as Hotel Royale when you're there in person. Anyway, it's about a 5 to 10 minute walk from the train station. It's a 4-star hotel, and here is the lobby reception area. So it's quite luxurious from the design of the lobby area. Everything looks very premium and decorated to quite a high standard. And the check-in process for me was very smooth. I had paid for my room in advance, so it was pretty much just giving my details, paying the city tax, and then straight into the room. So I was in room 912, which was on the first floor. So here is the elevator to the room. So immediately walking into the room, it was nice to see like a sink just in that area where the kettle was. It almost looked like a kitchen sink, and to be honest, it was really nice to have that in the room. It kind of gave me a feeling like I was in some kind of studio apartment. So there were 2 tables there, like a little coffee table, and then 2 side tables next to the bed. They all had this marble design, like a grey and pink marble, which I thought looked really nice. All of the lights had this brushed gold kind of appearance. And there wasn't really much of a view, but to be honest, I didn't really mind. This room was situated to the kind of rear-facing side of the hotel, so there was just apartments at the back which were visible, and I was on the first floor, but, you know, not really a big deal from my point of view. And the bed was 2 kind of single beds pushed together. I'm kind of used to that by now in hotels, so that was just standard for me. And I really liked the carpet. It was like a deep pile, which felt really nice when you were walking on it. It added to that premium feel of the hotel room. So we had a phone here, a pad of paper to write on, and that was the remote. And then on the side here we have the closet, which was a decent size. There was a spare pillow there at the top. And then on the other side we had another spare pillow, and we had a safe, and there was a shoe shine kit, and I believe a sewing kit as well. Okay, and back to that sink area, which was near the entrance. We had a kettle, there were 2 mugs there, and just a variety of coffees and teas and sugar, and there were also 2 glasses there too. They also gave you the option to have breakfast in the room, so there was a card there which you could leave on your door. And the room had a microwave, which was cool, and yeah, there was just an extra kind of cabinet space there. Underneath we had a bin and a mini fridge which had some water in there. And moving on to the bathroom was a decent size. And they included all the amenities like shampoo and shower gel. And over near the sink there was more soap and body lotion. So that was nice. Keeping with the theme, there's a gold trim there around the mirror. And I like it when hotels have a built-in hairdryer. It just makes things a lot easier. So yeah, this is the bathroom. And then here we have the AC system. The vents there at the top. So moving on to breakfast. Breakfast was located in the breakfast hall, which you could access from the lobby area. The timings for breakfast was 6:30 in the morning, and on weekdays it would be until 10:30, and on weekends it's up until 11 a.m. So let me just show you what's included here. Now the hotel has a restaurant called Le Bistro, and this is open until around 10 o'clock at night time. And here is the restaurant from the inside. This is the menu which Le Bistro have. And the hotel also has its own bar called Bogey's Bar. Now this bar is open till around midnight, and here is the seating area which is attached to the bar itself. And here is the menu for Bogey's Bar. Okay, so moving on to the gym and the sauna. So the hotel does have its own gym and sauna. It's located on the 8th floor, so I'll just show you what that looks like. You can take the elevator from reception. They were doing some renovation during my stay, that's why there's tape there all over the elevator. But when you leave the elevator, you just take a left here, and this is the gym first. I have to say there's a really nice view of the mountains from the gym. And for a hotel gym, I'd say it's quite decent. They have all the equipment you would require. There's a few cardio machines and then also some weighted machines and free weights as well. The best thing, of course, is the view which you get from the gym, so it's a nice scenic view for when you're exercising. And here is the opening times for the gym. And on the same floor, you just walk a little bit ahead and you can get to the sauna and steam room area. Here is the opening times for the sauna and steam room. You do have to use your card to get in. And I didn't want to record inside the sauna because there were people in there, but this is what this area looks like. I believe there's a shower there as well, and toilets too. And now here is the conference room, so you may have a conference which you're attending at this hotel. So it's located on the first floor, so on the same floor which I was staying. You can access the conference room from the reception, but also I could access it from my floor as well. So I'll show you the access from my floor. And the last thing we're going to talk about is just the location of the hotel. So it's about a 5 to 10 minute walk from the train station. In front of the hotel there is a Lidl, there's also a Co-op, and there's a shop where you can buy a kebab from, and also like a taco shop as well. Now, the hotel is an ideal location if you are wanting to stay in Geneva. The hotel can also provide you with a travel card for free, so that means you can travel around Geneva for free if you sign up to that travel card. So make sure you inquire about that. But that's everything for today's video. If you have any questions about this hotel, or if you want to leave your own thoughts, then leave a comment in the comment section below. And thank you very much for watching.